I've often wondered how authors decide. How do you decide on the one book to write, or at least start with, when there are so many stories burning inside you? But this isn't just about books. Indecision is broad. Whether it's choosing what career path to go down in life or what TV show to watch next. Whether it's deciding who to love for the rest of your life or where to begin on a project. Where do I begin? They say start somewhere, anywhere, but anywhere is nowhere. What happens when my feet feel stuck? Paralysis by analysis. Well, I guess I'll take a deep breath and start with what is right in front of me. I guess I'll start right where I'm standing.